Witness the greatness.
Ready to witness the greatness.
I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time, I have to learn to hide. One thing at a time, emotions running high. I wish you felt alright, just hitting my line all the time, all the time. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. You stay on my mind all the time, all the time. Ooh, it takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't lose finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind. You and your sister, too hard to handle. Things will get canceled. I will make time for you. Commitment, going the distance. I'm new to all of this. Yeah. It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind. You stay on my mind. Stay on my mind. Yeah. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. You stay. You stay on. Baby, you stay. On my mind, stay on my mind.
Gonna catch a vibe, you know we're real different. Saying that I've changed, yeah, these niggas still tripping. I hit another belly, wanna slice, you ain't ready. I always like to offer, but some niggas petty. I'll be 10 toes if you baby stay down. I ain't got the time now, so I just can't play around. Get one chance, we can't kiss and make up. You ain't fucking with me then, I think this is fake love. Had baddies on my line, but now they pay attention.
Hello.
Circles getting tighter, only serious members. I had to switch up, told some man to fix up. Now they see me doing well, what they do is lip lock. Haters, I can't be around bad energy. I'm just trying to better me, they're playing with the remedy. I've been real driven since a youngin'. From the day I saw my jeans, I said I knew that I could touch them, I swear. We got a band of boys from the back street, cause they'll be running up the battens like a trap me. I told them, I can't let my youngins be a bad breed, cause all them won't be living life tax free. Game changer, baby I'm no organ rearranger. Get some rum in your cup, stop being a stranger. You know it's time to party, it's the right time. You only get one chance, could this shit your lifeline, yeah. You're gonna catch a vibe, you know we're real different. Saying that I've changed, yeah, these niggas still tripping. I hit another belly, wanna slice, you ain't ready. I always like to offer, but some niggas petty. I'll be 10 toes if you baby stay down. I ain't got the time now, so I just can't play around. Get one chance, we can't kiss and make up. You ain't fucking with me then, I think this is fake love. Step up in the party, all the team is dripping. Strong send of money, yeah, it's really kicking. I'm really trying to move this shit wholesale. I ain't got the time, she wants a hotel. Baby, please tell me what you want from me. I'm not a lover, man, I think you on other plans. Really not tryna be a bad man. You want me to settle down, you know it's not that time. But you know you're the baddest, there's no competition. For us to be an item, I guess that's the mission. You don't wanna be riding in the backseat. They say this love is free, but I'm not that cheap.
Yeah.
Mario and Luigi, how I'm running up the coins. They ain't got my energy, they're playing with the boy. Used to be complacent, now they saying that they sure. I ain't with the talking, I ain't saying anymore. Feeling like I'm on my old shit, them niggas hopeless. Try giving them some guidance, I got reminded I ain't really got the time and they ain't got the patience. They see the success, it becomes contagious. You know things last year were real different. They would do a lot to be in my position. Them man ain't really trying, so they're never winning. I've been generous till I ain't ever giving. Got me feeling like I'm Van Gogh. Don't make a picture with the paint, still my art though. They see I really got it moving on my cargo. Really trying to keep it alive. I want your mind, soul and body, really expect you to ride. Now, hasta luego, they get it fuego. We be waiting till all them days go. Cause they love the passer, they don't wanna make it happen. When I see them, it's like all they're talking about is what they're planning. With no action, soon as we get it, there'll be no bragging. Cause we know the other side, we gotta stay spazzing. Baby, just take your time, you could be red flagging. You're a real pattern. Soon as you came in, I was on my back. I was head over heels, there's no denying that. I guess that things were going well, we really caught a vibe. I could open up to you, I saw another side. But even went out for my birthday, it's like a church day. Really took it as a blessing, and you got me stressing. Ain't ruining my journey, is another lesson. Now I'm running up the digits, so you learn a lesson. I know the way I dipped, I was real weak. I just didn't have the energy, you feel me? I ain't got the time for time wasting, cause there's no time making. Gotta put our brains together, that's how we gon' get this cake in. Run it up, double cup, I'm in my zone now. Just a touch, you want enough, I want the throne now. She was lying, so she's feeling the vibe. I want your mind, soul and body, really expect you to ride.
They're Russian, just the normal.
Yeah.
And I'm like, okay, this is cool because it don't hurt, which is good. It's the first time I experienced something I don't